Guys, today I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I kind of have an idea. I just wanted to sit down and do something. I didn't really have a good plan in mind, but I wanted to film it, so this might be a disaster. We'll find out. But I think I'm going to do something colorful. Surprise, surprise, it's me. I dyed my hair. I don't know how much you can tell since it's up in a bun right now, but it's kind of like an indigo color now. I really liked the bright purple, but honestly, I was just tired of the upkeep, and this will be a lot easier. But yeah, I don't really have much to say. I'm tired. There's been a lot going on. And I'm trying to plan for 31 days of Halloween right now, and I'm just kind of stumped. But I don't know. I need to start pre-filming that stuff soon. So yeah, I will do that soon. Since I don't really know what I'm doing today, I'm probably going to voice over a lot of the actual tutorial section because I'm probably going to be going into different palettes and it'll just be easier for me to voice over it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, to start off, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette and take the shade Believe on this pointed Morphe brush. There's a cat hair on it, go figure. And I'm just going to take that in my crease just about halfway across. Also, I'm not really sure why one side of my hair is so much frizzier than the other, so just try to ignore that. I must have laid on it or something. Next, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and just take this kind of tealy, greeny colored shade. It doesn't have a shade name on it. And then we're going to do the outer half with that color and kind of wing it out a little bit at the end. Then I'm just going to go back in with the same brush I used for the purple with no additional product and just kind of blend out in the middle there. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and cut my crease all the way across. I'm going to cut out a section of this because I've cut my crease a million times in videos, so I think it's kind of redundant at this point. Now I'm going to go into the Colourpop Ooh La La palette and take the shade Sandbar on a flat brush and just take it about halfway across my lid. Now I'm going to go into the shade Sunkissed from the Colourpop Orangey Glad palette and just take that on the outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to kind of blend it in the middle. Now I'm going to go in with this NYX Multitasking Medium and this green shimmery shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I just kind of scraped a little bit off the top of the green shade and mixed it with the mixing medium. This mixing medium is great for making like your own eyeliners and stuff because once it dries down completely. Like, it is stuck. It's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to go in with the Stila Stay All Day liner in black and just do a big ol' wing. Now I'm just going to peel off the tape and clean up the edge. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face and my eyes off camera. My lower lash line is just, let me see what shade it is. My lower lash line is Sweet Spot from the Uh Huh Honey palette. And these lashes are just lashes I got on AliExpress. I don't even know if I can find them anymore, but yeah. Sorry it was kind of a boring video probably, but I just wanted to sit down and play with makeup, and that's what I did. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope that it was at least somewhat educational, and I will talk to you guys later.